What's going on, Pro Cutters? John back at another job. This time we're putting up a fence. I've already got this started. I've got this gate here done, and I've got a couple of posts in, and if you look over there, I've got that side of the fence done, and now I've started on this side down the driveway while I've still got some shade, because I know I've got shade over there all day. So I'll do this side first, and then I'm going to start across the front that way from this corner. So stick around, maybe you'll learn something. I'm doing post holes right now, my least favorite thing. Alright guys, got the fence job finished. So we've got one gate here that goes next to the house, and then the fence goes up the driveway. We've got a side gate right here, so you have garden access. All the gates open in. And then all the way across the yard this way. Got another gate over on this corner, so you have lawnmower access. And then it's just tied into the neighbor's fence there and down there. And now the dogs and the kiddo have a nice secure yard to play in. And so that's it. Another fence job done. The only thing I need to do is come back here and add 2x4s for cross bracing on the gates to keep them from sagging down. Other than that, we're good to go. Thanks for watching.